Scotsman, and welcome everyone to the 92nd Annual Central Park Boat Race. Undoubtedly, model racing's most prestigious event. Children from all over New York gather here every year to see whose boat will prevail, who will win the race, and take home the magnificent trophy. The Siren, piloted by
Jack.
James O'Malley.
Stays all batten,
Jack!
rudder,
Jack!
sail,
Jack!
turn line.
Jack! They're doing checks.
So, George Stewart, would you like a hot dog?
Jack!
And from Manhattan's Upper West Side, the Wasp, piloted by George.
Well, everything appears to be in ship shape. But to be on the safe side, I better check the hull for leaks.
Upper East Side, Lillian B. Wamrat, piloted by Anton Gartran.
Oh no, Anton. Gee, George, what did you do? Get that out of a cereal box? I'm glad you're here, George. Someone's got to finish last.
I don't like that child.
All set to get underway. It's time to get those boats in the water and grab your remote.
Stewart, did you get the remote?
Begin.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Our most recent weather has gust 14 knots. So, racers, please bring according.
Didn't she look great? Are you okay?
Maybe we should go home.
Why?
I'm not wearing my lucky underwear.
You don't have lucky underwear.
Well, maybe we should get some and then come back for another race.
George, listen, I know how worried you are about losing. Believe me. But you know what we say? The thing that really matters is to never stop trying, okay?
Okay.
That's the spirit.
Everyone to your places. Race about to start.
My. Where's Stewart? Look out, sir!
1 minute to race time, ladies and gentlemen. We have
Stewart.
one.
Stuart, what happened?
It was completely my fault. I couldn't grip it.
Nice going, Captain Loser.
All set to get underway. We need all boats on the starting line.
George, wait. Everything will be all right.
No, won't.
Maybe we could fix it. Huh? A little glue? Who knows?
Ladies and gentlemen, please.
This is off. Our first family outing. I ruined everything.
Well, you know, Stuart, these things happen.
But what about George?
Remember,
Be right back.
everyone in this race is a winner. One person take home the trophy. Second and Central Park Boat Race.
George, you know what? Just because we can't be in the race doesn't mean our family outing has to be ruined. I really think...
Whoa, boats